Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to modify a Subaru WRX. First, define your goals, whether it's more horsepower, better handling, or a unique look. Next, research parts and tuners thoroughly. Quality components and expert installation are crucial for performance and longevity. Always prioritize safety and reliability, ensuring every modification enhances your driving experience without compromise. To boost your WRX's performance, start with an upgraded air intake and a free-flowing exhaust system. These allow your engine to breathe more efficiently, unlocking a few extra horsepower. An ECU tune is essential to optimize fuel delivery and ignition timing, maximizing gains from your new parts. For serious power, a larger turbocharger can provide substantial horsepower increases. Improving your WRX's handling is key for a balanced ride. Upgrading to coilovers or performance springs and dampers will sharpen its cornering ability. Don't forget about tires and wheels. A good set of sticky tires on lighter wheels makes a huge difference in grip and overall feel. Finally, aesthetic modifications like a new spoiler or body kit can truly make your WRX stand out. Remember, professional installation and a custom tune are vital for safety and to get the most out of your modifications. Don't cut corners here. It's an investment in your car's longevity and performance. Also, regular maintenance becomes even more critical after upgrading. And hey, while you're upgrading your ride, why not upgrade your home too? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.